Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The hue represents the color in your image. The saturation represents the intensity of the color. You can adjust these settings further with the Hue Saturation command. To do this, select Enhance, Adjust Color, Adjust Hue/Saturation from the menu bar. In the Hue Saturation dialog box that opens, you can see a drop-down menu. Use the drop-down to select the colors to modify. You can make changes to all of the colors by selecting the master choice or select individual colors to modify. Then click and drag the sliders that are shown to produce the desired effect. You can also check the Colorize checkbox to apply a single color to your image. This can produce a nice tinted effect in images, such as colorizing a grayscale photo. Click the OK button to save your changes when finished.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.